the Mywish bits to drill holes into material. Got a little adapter screw in. When it gets close enough, you come back with these, line this up here. Those little arms poke in there. Take it out. Even the smaller one, again, tighten it up enough where you can see those things line up, and screw those on there. Gives it a little bit more strength. And you can change the drill bit if you want to. Comes with 2 Allen wrenches. These drill bits are nice. Helps you center it. I made a mistake before, not had this and just try to line this up, and it has a tendency to run on you, but that way you can line it up where you want to drill. And then 2 smaller drill holes. This is 2 1/4 inch 64 millimeter, 2 inch 51 millimeter, 1 3/4 inch 44 millimeter, 1 1/2 inch 38 millimeter. There's a smaller adapter for these last 2. Well, I guess that's the same size as that one. It's just for this one. That one fits on here, and this one fits on here, but it doesn't. You don't use these little pegs to come through here. There's no place for it. If you want to use this adapter, a smaller one, because there are different sizes. This looks like, I don't know, 3/8 1/4 inch, something like that. Anyway, it's a little bit smaller. Comes with a adapter here. You can add it. Expand that size. Now you can use this one to connect the bigger hole cutters. Let's see how it drills. Supposed to be able to drill in wood, metal, whatever. Keep in mind though, when you're drilling these, you can only drill material that's that thick. Which, let's try it in a bigger one. Measure what that is. This one, 2 inch one, got about an inch and a half of depth. So you can't go through a 3-inch piece of wood. They look to be all the same depth. Inch and a half. Yep. Nice little carrying case. I'll probably stack them in a toolbox like this. Try to save some space so I don't have to keep that carrying case. Yeah. Be more efficient space-wise. Obviously, it should go through cardboard easily. try a piece of molding. Man, you know, whatever you cut usually gets stuck in that hole. Yeah, I think when this paint wears off of these teeth, they'll be a little sharper, but they didn't feel too sharp coming out of the box. And you can see how the teeth are aligned. They're like little triangles. Here's one that's really sharp, different brand. They're like little wave crests. Like you can feel it. This is smoother than this. You can see that the teeth on this are staggered also. They bend in different directions. Well, these are all going in the same line. So hopefully as they get worn down a little bit and all this enamel baked on paint comes off, they'll sharpen up.